crafters, I just wanted to show you a quick recipe book I had made over the weekend for my nephew. It's his birthday today. So before I wrap it, I thought I'd give a quick walkthrough. Now I have used retired Stampin' Up stock, so apologise about that, but I thought it was really cute and I wanted to show it to you. So here we go. There's a little pull down here where he can put photos of his recipes. And I have a pocket that's extendable here, and index cards so he can write all of his recipes in there. And I have side pockets. Now I've left all these blank so he could organise it the way he wants to organise it. I mean, I know the standard is to sort of go soups, what is it? Soups, entrees, mains and desserts, but I thought, well, maybe he wants to do it different. So this is just a little waterfall on this side, and once again the expanding pocket, and just another side pocket here. Bit of dirt there. Get that later. Okay, and once again a waterfall. Side pockets. You can put loads of recipes in here. Pull out. Same again. I just love the little cutouts. Now these embossing folders I used are current from Stampin' Up, and I used Real Red, and I've used the silver foil paper. So another side pocket, and at the back here I thought, well, miscellaneous, if he wants to do like seafood or something like that. There's several pockets there and another little waterfall. And that's the album. So yeah, I hope you like it. I had fun making it, and I hope you all have had a good weekend. Bye.